You know that moment right after you click buy online? Ever stop to think what happens next? Well, it's not magic, that's for sure. It's this incredibly complex, high-stakes process called fulfillment. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this hidden engine that powers pretty much all of e-commerce. So many people think fulfillment is just shipping, but honestly, that's like saying a chef's only job is to hand a plate to the waiter. Nope, shipping is just that final step, the handoff. Fulfillment is the entire complicated kitchen operation that has to happen perfectly to get that meal ready in the first place. So let's really separate the myth from the reality here, because this is the exact spot where a ton of online businesses completely fall apart. They're so laser-focused on the delivery truck, the shipping cost, that they totally miss the critical mistakes happening back inside the warehouse. So what are we actually talking about when we say fulfillment? Well, it's the entire operational sequence that happens before your package even thinks about hitting the road. From the second that inventory arrives at the warehouse to the moment it's sitting on a dock waiting for the courier, all of that's fulfillment. And here's the absolute bottom line. You just can't fix a delivery problem if the order was messed up from the start. Getting a great shipping rate means absolutely nothing if you send the customer the wrong item. It's just backwards. Okay, so let's see how this actually works. We're going to follow a single order as it makes its way through the system. This right here, this is the very backbone of how online shopping gets done. You should really think of it like a four-step dance, where every single move has to be perfect. First, the products come in from the supplier and get stored away. Second, your order hits the system and a worker goes and picks the exact right items. Third, it all gets packed up securely and a label is slapped on it. And finally, step 4, it's handed off for delivery. There is just zero room for error in this dance. The e-commerce giants, your Amazons, your Shopifys, they've boiled this whole thing down to a really simple mantra. Pick, pack, and ship. Now, it sounds easy, right? But nailing those 3 things every single time, that is the core mission that separates the businesses that make it from the ones that don't. But here's the thing. This process, as simple as it sounds, is incredibly fragile. And the most damaging mistakes, they don't happen when someone drops a box on the floor. No, they happen silently, inside the data. This one concept right here, inventory accuracy, it's the hidden foundation that holds up the entire fulfillment operation. It's a simple question. Does the number in your computer match the number of items physically sitting on the shelf? If the answer is no, you're in for a world of hurt. You see, when that inventory data is wrong, it kicks off this brutal domino effect of failure. Your website sells a product you don't actually have. A worker wastes time hunting for a ghost item. The whole order gets delayed. The customer gets angry, and it all ends with a nasty 1-star review. All of that from just one bad number. And this just perfectly illustrates the second major failure point. Because even if your inventory is perfect, a simple mistake during the picking process is a total disaster. A fast mistake is still a mistake. The customer just gets the wrong order faster. So, as a business starts to grow, it eventually hits this fork in the road. It's a huge decision. Do you try and manage this incredibly complex process all by yourself, or do you bring in the experts? And it really comes down to a classic trade-off: control versus scale. Handling it all yourself gives you total, absolute control, which is perfect when you're just starting out. But outsourcing it to what's called a 3PL, a third-party logistics provider, that lets you tap into their massive infrastructure and scale up like overnight. And make no mistake, this isn't just about operations. This is a core business strategy decision. There is no best answer here. The right choice for you depends entirely on what you sell, how much you sell, and where you see your business in 5 years. All right, let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture, because fulfillment is so much more than just putting things in boxes. It is the very heart of an e-commerce operation. This quote really says it all. Fulfillment is the bridge. It's what turns a product sitting on a shelf into an actual experience for your customer. It's the exact point where your supply chain meets the promise you made to your customer. It's the central gear that connects everything. On one side, you've got all your suppliers, your manufacturing, your inbound shipments. On the other side, you have your customers, the delivery itself, returns, customer service, and fulfillment. It's the engine in the middle that makes it all work together. And if you take one thing away, let it be this. If an order is picked wrong, or it's packed poorly, or it's handed to the courier late, the fastest delivery service in the entire world can't save it. It's too late. The customer experience is already broken.
So the question you have to ask isn't just about boxes and tape. It's about whether you've built a system that can actually fuel your ambition. Because getting fulfillment right isn't just an operational win, it is the engine for sustainable growth.